G'day everybody, morning of day 2 here at NUSA Penida. Today we're gonna head off on the bike again and just go and explore the, I think it's the southeast side of the island. Should be a good day. It's pretty calm, as you can see. It's no wind, bit overcast again. You can't see Mount Agung. I mean, if I look through the thing, it's the very top of it's just there, but you can't really see it. It's where we woke up this morning. It's just so quiet. A few roosters, but that's about it. Alright, the accommodation we've got also includes breakfast for both mornings that we're here. It's just in a little place called Warung Mada, NUSA Penida. It's a babi guling place, or babi jenyol, however you say it. I can never say it, I've told you before. So we're just down here for breakfast. It's a cooked, I think it's bacon and eggs. You get a barley coffee as well. It's just down here on the road. Only there's a couple of houses, hang on. A couple of houses through there, and you're on the beach as well. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, so we're just going to do this breakfast, and then we're going to head off down the road, try and find some amazing cliff beaches and stuff like that. See what we can film, see what we can show you. Alright, might show you the breakfast when it comes. It might be okay, we'll see. Well, it's the room was only what? $19 a night. $19 a night Australian, with breakfast, and has a pool. I'll give you a full show up there later on.
Nice bathrooms.
Nice bathrooms too.
Kind of outside, got a bit of roof.
But a great place. Alright, we're having breakfast. Alright, I'll quickly show you the breakfast. Whoops, I ate a piece already. But scrambled eggs, 2 dry pieces of toast, chili, barley coffee. I mean, really, what more do you need? That'll start the day.
Yep.
Right. Cool. We're eating.
It's a different beach.
The ocean, yay!
So we're just cruising along on the bike and came across this. Let's have a look. Looks like there's a village over there. Probably can't see it, it's way too far away. But we can see the ocean from here, getting closer. And we could hear music before when we came. We could hear the Balinese music. Not sure where it was coming from, but it was quite loud. So I'm sure we'll come across that eventually. Alright, Mark's just flying the drone, and then we'll be on our way again. Okay, so as I said, we're at this temple thing. Mark sent the drone up, had a look around, and lost it. Lost contact with the drone, so he has tried to find it on the map. He's gone for a walk down that road there. See whether it hopefully has landed or is hovering near the edge of the road. But I guess we'll know soon enough. He'll be back. I'm just waiting with the bike. Hopefully it's not, it didn't seem like it was too far on the road, so hopefully he can find it, because we're only a couple of weeks into our trip and fingers crossed we still have a drone. But yeah, them's the breaks, I guess. It happens, because hopefully it's not in there, because if it's in there, no chance. No chance of getting it back. Oh well, so hopefully it won't be too long.
This is my sad face. So we got to this little sort of temple thing, White Tiger's temple, and I went, oh, perfect spot. Chucked the, we've had a little Mavic Mini 1 for nearly a year and a half now, maybe. Bought it second hand. Anyway, we got to this place here and I sent it up out in the distance like I always do, looking all cool. Pivoted around because the ocean's just down there. Pivoted around to look out that way. It's a bit grey, you can't really see it. But then I went to fly sideways and I thought I was coming back across where we were. And obviously I wasn't, because it went for a little while and then I lost transmission. It went down, I guess, because I got no battery on the drone. And where we are now, what it looked like when you do that Find My Drone, I think that's the big hill there, and it's way over the backside, but there's no way of going up there, and I'm not going to trek through the jungle to try and find it because I can't even connect up the beep and flash looking for my drone, Find My Drone. Anyway, we shall continue on because we want to go and see the beaches. We've still got the GoPro, and I've got the Canon G7X camera as well for decent photos and better like distance footage, and that's what we'll do at the moment. We'll just use that. But if our YouTube channel can take off and we get some income, I may be able to buy another drone in the future. I'll smile now, but it's a sad moment. See you at the beach. Righto. That was that road. Like you said, you get lost to find the right way. Alright, g'day everybody. Hey, we've just come up to this place called Manta Point View. The track up here was like pretty sketchy as, like almost non-existent. Then it goes really good and brand new and concrete and everything as well after that. But we've made it. Like I said, it was a bit sketchy. This is your entrance into it. Welcome to the Blue Paradise Island. There's a temple and almost like I think a home maybe up here as well. I'm not going to go down there in case it's some actual residence, but we're going to head up here, up to the top here. Hang on, up to the top here where the lookout and stuff is. All right, we're just getting our stuff together and then we're going to head up and have a look. Just back there behind us you can see we just met a couple. They're from Belgium. They said it's a lovely place up here. The viewpoints are amazing, and as we've just gotten up here now, I'm about to turn around and show you all of that down there. I mean, the GoPro will never do it justice because it hasn't got zoom. I'll try and throw in some footage from other camera. It's got a little bit more zoom on it, but we'll go right up the top first. Hey Charlie, keep walking. Yeah. Gang View Manta Cliff. That's the bit of a house I was telling you about just here. But at the top of the cliff right here is probably almost the highest point, and it's like straight down. I'm not going any closer, that'd just be silly. You can see out there maybe there's like a few heaps of boats doing their dive tours for the manta rays. Bloke yesterday said if you're lucky you can even see them from up here, but the water doesn't seem as clear that we could see them. If they were on the surface we probably could, but not today. pretty epic here. Right now I can see sort of down that way. Hang on. No, you can't see on this. Right down along there's a little walk path. Wouldn't think I'd want to get right down there. I mean, it's probably really good, really amazing, but not up for a hike today. But yeah, it's pretty good looking place, worth coming for sure, even just for up on the top of the cliffs looking at the views. Gotta love it. All right, we're gonna head back to the bike. Event afterwards, we'll go over, he said, up on that top point there, go there, and there's a waterfall viewpoint, or a waterfall you can swim at as well, but it's right down the very bottom again. But we'll have a look. That's what we're here for. Go and venture the rocky road, try and find new and interesting, exciting places to show you all, but more so to show us. All right, back on the bike. We'll go find another place to go. Alright, just rocked up around here. I think I said before we were heading over to where a waterfall is. It's called Gang Waterfall at the far end of NUSA Penida. It's down. We may not get right down. Hey. Alright, we're in first 10-15 meters and it's just straight into it already. As you can see, just come down. And I think it's like this most of the way. Bit of concrete and then metal stairs again. Alright, my exercise of the day for sure. I mean, I probably should go down, but I got to this point here and I'm like, maybe not. It just looks a little bit, I don't know. Call me chicken. Alright, I'm heading back up. Still a great view though. I mean, check it out. Even from here, I'm down lower to the water. It's a great view. Right, yeah, we've just come out to the viewpoint at Saran Cliffs. By the looks of it and what I can see, that out this way, both places we've been to already this morning, Manta Point and what was the waterfall one? Anyway, and the waterfall point one where you can walk down and swim as well. Those two we've been to. If you don't want to walk down the steep epic trails and stuff to get to them, you should just come to Saran Point instead, because I can see where we were this morning, which was just there. Cliffs look epic. Down there is where the waterfall one was, and I mean, like I said, if you don't, oh my god, and I can right now see a manta ray just there as well. Look. Oh wow, babe, there's a manta ray. Check it out. I can't zoom in. I didn't bring it.
Huge because it looks big from here.
Yep, it's a manta ray, and I haven't got the other camera to zoom in. You probably wouldn't get that far anyway. Well, tick off the list as well. I've now seen a manta ray on NUSA Penida. How lucky are we? And how awesome. How awesome, oh my god, how awesome is this view? This is just crazy. NUSA Penida is crazy, like in a great way. I'd say you could spend a week here, but you can get it over and done with probably in like 2 days and then go back home again, back to wherever you are. Sorry, I'm still distracted by the fact that there's a manta ray just down there, and that is awesome. That is awesome. And he's got to be huge as well, because we can see him pretty easy. We just dove under. Wow. All right. How much we loving this place, darling?
It's awesome. Great. Bit bumpy.
NUSA Penida. Put it on your bucket list and come and have a look. Definitely. If you've been to Bali heaps of times and never been over to Nusa Penida, I highly recommend it. We've been to Bali heaps of times, never over here. This is our first time. All right, if you enjoyed this motorbike ride of Nusa Penida, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.